Does it feel like it's gonna come off? No. Hey everybody, it's me Megs, and I am back with a new video. I'm gonna be trying something for the first time. I have never tried the headband wig before, and so I'm going to try it today to see how it works for me. So the headband wig that I am gonna try is actually from CurlsCurls, and you know, of course, I've been seeing it around all over social media, these headband wigs, and you know, I thought it was cute, you know, cute protective style, especially if you are not a girl who can, you know, slay a lace. I'm her. You know, lace is just very difficult for me. And, you know, I thought this idea was really cute. I can see it being very low maintenance. You just pop it on and go from what I've seen. So we're going to see if it's actually like that. So my initial thought, so this is like, okay, this will be a cute protective style for the upcoming fall months because the air gets cooler. So this will be a perfect protective style. So this texture is, I believe it's the 3B3C texture. I will have the specs down in the description below, as well as a link down to this unit. And so what I did do was, when I did receive it, I did wash and condition this hair. And this is how it air dried. I did put a little bit of leave-in conditioner in it and some mousse. And so the inside, well, let's talk about this part first. This is like a strap that kind of helps you kind of like attach the wig to your head. And it does have 4 combs in it. It has one up here, one on the sides here, and one at the bottom right there, and there is an adjustable strap. So this is reminding me a lot of basically like a half wig, you know. I haven't really seen too many people wear half wigs in a while, so the headband wig is kind of like giving me those vibes from back in the day. Let me know, do people still wear half wigs? People still wear half wigs, right? Also, this does have adjustable straps in here that you can hook in. So what I'm gonna do is I am actually gonna hook these on to the little slots here. Okay, so this is how I'm gonna hook my slots. I kind of just crisscross them at the bottom. So I am gonna put on a wig cap, okay? So I do have my hair just in a low bantu, and I did moisturize and seal my hair, and I did do my scalp massage. So I feel like this this wig will be really good for those days when your hair is like really weighed down or dirty, or if you want to work out. But we're gonna see. We're gonna see right now. We're going to see. Okay, so I am gonna put on a wig cap. Gonna put her on. Ooh, ooh, girl. Wait a minute. Okay, so she's on. She's secure. Okay, so we're gonna pop this bad boy on. And I will say the hair is absolutely gorgeous. The hair is so pretty. I love the curls. I will say when I was washing and conditioning it, I did get a few shedded hairs, but I feel like that's quite normal from my experience when it comes to curly hair. I'd always tend to get some shedded hair when it comes to curly hair. But this hair feels really good. So let's put her on and see how she looks, girl. Oh, what did I do? Okay. So we're gonna put her on like this. Oh, this is, wait a minute, okay. She's cute. Okay, y'all, I'm like really excited because this is cute. So this little headband thing right here, I'm gonna cover that up though, but it does have Velcro on these sides that you take around the back and just kind of stick together. This is easy to put on. Okay, so girl, if you don't want any edges out, you can leave it actually like this and it'll be real cute. This is cute. Okay, so if I do want a little bit of edges out, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just kind of scoot it back just a little bit, like this. I do not use the combs when it comes to like these wigs because they just kind of hurt my scalp, so I do not use the combs, but it's laying pretty flat. Like, this is cute. Real easy to put on too. It's pretty much on. This is pretty. This is cute. I feel like I could work out. I could work out in this. It feels very secure. Sorry if my hair is hitting the mic, y'all, but I definitely wanted to test this out. Like, does it feel like it's gonna come off? No. Oh, this is cute, girl. Okay, I like this. I feel cute in this. This is very cute. Okay, let's put on a little scarf on top to kind of like cover this plain band up. So I have this really pretty scarf that they actually sent me. So I was like, this would be cute with a little denim top. See with this? So I'm actually going to kind of like fold this into a triangle. And then I'm gonna fold it to make it more of like a bandana or like just like a skinnier scarf. Put this over here. Because I actually wear scarves like this, like when I don't wanna like do too much with the other kind of wig. So I really like this headband wig because it makes things so much easier. So do I want to tie it to like the side? I normally do mine to the side. I like it. It's cute. This is so cute. Yes. Yeah, y'all, I like this. So let me get some earrings. Let me get some earrings. Okay, y'all, so I have my earrings and I am really feeling this. I think this is super cute. I love it so much. And what's really pretty about this texture, because I've had a similar texture like this from CurlsCurls, and you can really fluff this hair up and make it really really big if you want to. You could flat iron it and it'll be really nice and pretty. If you wanted to wear it more straight, you can blow it out. You can do all kinds of things with this texture because this texture is so versatile. You can do pretty much anything with it and it feels really, really good. So yeah, y'all, this is pretty much it. It's very quick, easy, straight to the point. I feel like this would be really good for mommies on the go. Or if you just have to run a quick errand and you still want to look really cute. Or if you're protective styling like me, because fall and winter is coming up, I think this will be a great, cute, protective style. Really easy to put on and go. So let me give you guys a back view of this. This is, I believe, 18 inches and I am 4'11", and the hair is a curly texture. So with it curly, this is how it kind of falls in the front. So when you see me stretch it out, it's quite long. So if you were to blow this out, it would be long. There's the side. Really cute, really natural looking too. Really, really natural looking. And it feels very, very secure. So what you could also do really quick before I leave, I'm gonna put this up into a high ponytail. Oh, I love it so much. Oh, I love this. This is so cute. So it's really easy to throw up into a ponytail. You could do a pineapple. Cute. I love it, y'all. Alright, you guys, that is about it. I will say that this wig is very comfortable. I will definitely say that it's very comfortable. It doesn't feel too tight on my hair, and it definitely feels very secure even when I put it up. So yeah, this is definitely, I could see myself working out this wig on if I'm trying to be cute somewhere, working out, or just out and about running errands. For sure, I love this. I really like the headband wigs. These are cute. So yeah, if you guys do have any questions, feel free to ask me. And if you have tried a headband wig, let me know how you like yours. And all the information about this particular wig will be down in the description below. And I do want to say thank you so much to CurlsCurls for sending me this wig to try out and review and give my honest opinion about. And yeah, as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later.